Hi, my name is Lindsay McCulloch, and I'm a NOAA Climate and Global Change postdoctoral fellow. And today we're going to talk to you a little bit about how to sample for symbiotic nitrogen fixation. So sampling for symbiotic nitrogen fixation really just means a lot of digging around in the dirt. So there's kind of two ways that we do this. One is we go out into the field and we look for legumes or the plants that form the symbiotic relationship, like this big tree here. And we take soil cores around this plant. Another way is we create these straight lines in the field and we take samples every couple of meters. So in order to do this sampling, you need a couple of things. You need a soil core like this and something that you put the soil in to kind of look through for the nodules. So if I take a soil core right here, sometimes it's a little difficult because you have a lot of roots and other things in the soil. But you take a soil core up to the top, remove it, and put all of that soil into your container that you're going to look. And then what you want to do is you want to take a lot of time to really look through, at least 5 minutes, the sample. And actually in this one, we have a nodule and a big one. So you can see here, it's kind of this weird, crazy looking thing on this root system. And so this is actually where these bacteria live, in the nodule, and they're doing this process of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. So once you're done looking through this whole sample, what you'll do is you'll take a syringe or something like this. So depending on the size of your sample, you might have a couple. So for this one, we'll use a big syringe. And so what you want to do is open up this syringe and remove your nodule, maybe leaving a little bit of the roots intact, and putting that into the syringe. And so what we're going to do is an incubation to know the nitrogen fixation rate. And so here we add 80% of the space in the syringe will be regular air, and you want to seal this up so it's airtight. And then in this bag we have a special gas. This gas is a nitrogen gas that's labeled with 15N2 enriched gas, and this allows us to know how much of the nitrogen that we add is added into the nodule during our incubation time. So you very carefully want to insert the needle into your gas bag, open it up, and add your gas, the 20%. And then what we do in the field is we let this syringe, this incubation, happen for 30 minutes before we stop the incubation and dry the sample and send it out for isotopic analysis. And that's how we know the nitrogen fixation rate of these nodules.